How to use TD EasyWeb for bill payment. To pay bills on TD EasyWeb, you just want to follow these steps. First thing first, you want to log into your account. And once you're logged in, you just want to go ahead and from the main account summary, you want to select Pay Bills option from the left hand side menu. After which you have to add a Payee if it is new. So you just want to select Add Payee button, type the Payee's name like utility company and select the correct one from the list. After which you want to enter your account number with that Payee or your customer number as well. Then you just want to follow the prompt to review and finish adding the Payee. And if you are going to select the Payee and enter the details, schedule or pay now, you could just choose whether it's a one-time payment or a recurring one. And for a recurring payment, you could set the frequency and end date as well. Double check all the payment details, and that's how you're going to use TD EasyWeb for bill payment. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.